Hey gang, Christos here with Better at BI, and today is Friday, which means another episode of PBIF. So today we're going to discuss how someone without Power BI Premium or Pro or an enterprise license or anything like that, how someone can update their background, their data, using an Excel file, how they can do it manually but super duper easily. Okay, awesome. Let's go to the computer. Let's make this a quick video today. So over on my computer, what you can see is this map. If you're familiar with another video that I created a little bit ago, you can see where I built a map to show using census data and latitude and longitude, and to determine how many people, in this case, how many men and women, young men and young women, live within a certain radius of a particular zip code. So everything is awesome. We're looking at this, and then we realize something. This file only contains 25 miles. Okay, well, that's sort of awesome, but boy, oh boy, I actually need more than that. So how do we manually update this? So we can right click here on the data. We know that's the data. So we're going to select edit query. Now, when we edit the query, this is going to come up, right? Now we are going to go to source. So right over here, we're going to go to the source button, and we are going to select the edit query. Hold on, it just beeped at me. There it is. So this is the source of the file. So it's under C user. So you can see it's on my local computer. Now, in this example, the example I'm giving is I want to use an updated file. Right? This could be a self-generated file, or this just could be, like in my situation, a new version of the file. So I'm currently on my downloads folder at the 25-mile radius. I'm going to click on downloads, and I'm going to go to this 100-mile folder right here. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on the 100-mile folder and hit OK. I'm just going to leave everything else the way it is and hit OK again. Now it's going to cycle through. You'll notice up here in red, it changed the name. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and select close and apply. Now this may take a few moments to kind of cycle through and to reread the data. I'll go ahead and hit apply here. So it's rereading all the data, and when it finishes, you're going to notice that I will now have more miles to choose from. All right, so through the joy of being able to pause my video, so everything finally finished running, and now you'll notice here under this my officially titled centerish distance, you'll notice that now I can scroll over to 100-mile radius with my data. So I've easily updated my data. It was a manual process, but you saw within a couple of steps how easy it was for me to grab a new file and point Power BI to that new file. And again, this only really works if the file has the same columns and headers. If you start taking things away or adding and removing stuff, Power BI is going to require you to do some more work. But if it's the exact same file, but let's say it's a monthly data dump, then you can easily use this on your own computer to quickly update what you have. All right, this is Christos again with Better at BI. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.